Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up an Xfinity account and register for internet service, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Xfinity website. Click on Shop or Get Started to explore available services in your area. Step 2. Enter your address or zip code to verify Xfinity service availability and view plan options for your location. Step 3. Browse the internet plans available, from basic speeds to gigabit fiber options. Select the plan that matches your household needs and budget. Step 4. Click on Select Plan or Add to Cart to proceed with your chosen internet package. You may also have options to bundle with TV or phone service. Step 5. Create your Xfinity account by providing your personal information, including full name, email address, phone number, and service installation address. Step 6. Choose your installation preference between professional installation or self-installation if eligible. Select a convenient date and time for setup. Step 7. Enter your billing information and select your payment method. Review any promotional offers, discounts, or contract terms for new customers. Step 8. Review your complete order, including plan details, monthly cost, installation fees, and equipment rental charges. Accept the terms of service and finalize your registration. Check your email for order confirmation and installation details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.